Like a cake is incomplete without the cream, Pune is incomplete without Dol Tasha and its tradition. The long year of waiting for this tradition comes to an end in the month of July or August every year and the wonderful season begins. Since 15th century, the existence of this culture is stressed in India. Pune continues to celebrate the tide of the century even today. The scalar count of Dol Tasha Pataks has exceeded the number of 300 and further will keep rising. All the countable groups have courtyards, schools, or lawns granted authorization to practice daily. Vadaks or the participants who either play dol or tasha share an equal part in patak and flex their body for enthusiastic upcoming events. Dol is made up of two stretched membranes tied up by strong string and rope. One side of dol is played by wooden stick called tipru and the other side by palm called thapi. Bowl of the dol is then for tipru side and ta for the thapi side. In Dwaj, the participants need to master the dance steps to synchronize with each other. Dwaj or flag is performed rhythmically on Tasha's vibe and music.
रुद्रवर्धन पथकाची स्थापना 2013 साली म्हणजे 29 जून 2013 साली झाली. पथकाची स्थापना होण्या अगोदर पथकाने ढोल ताशा जनरेशन नावाने ग्रुप तयार केला. या ग्रुपच्या अंडर पथकाने रजिस्ट्रेशन चालू केले होते, ज्यामध्ये मुंबई, पुणे, कोल्हापूर अशा विविध ठिकाणावरून साधारण 400 एंट्रीज पथकामध्ये आल्या होत्या. पथकाचं यंदाचे हे 4थं वर्ष आहे आणि आत्ता पाहता आजवर 4 वर्षामध्ये पथकामध्ये 800 मुला मुलींनी वादन केलं आहे. यंदा पथकाची संख्या आहे 350 मुलं आणि मुली. पथकाकडे एकूण 150 ढोल आणि 34 ताशे आणि साधारण 18 ध्वज आहेत. पथक नेहमी मानाच्या मंडळांमध्ये वादन करतात, त्यामध्ये महत्त्वाचे म्हणजे भाऊ रंगारी, बाबू गेलू, तुळशीबाग मंडळ. पथक गणपतीप्रमाणेच आपल्या नवरात्र उत्सवामध्ये देखील वादन करते.
After daily practice and events, the instruments are unimpeded to restore the damages occurred. In the middle of the tipru portion of the dole, the mixture of cow dung, oil, and soil is adhered firmly. If any of the sides is damaged, it is replaced. Once the inside repairs are done, the dole is tightened with a long rope altogether with a barrel in between. Tashas need less amount of power, though are to be repaired and tightened time to time. Punctuality, stamina, and patience is the key to be a true vadak or participant. We observe youngsters involved in great number. The parking lot tells us how profoundly is the society engaged in Dol Pataks. The enthusiasm in them reaches cloud 9 once they tie Dol and Tasha around their waist. Children aged 10 and plus are sighted very excited. Daihandi. Daihandi comes first in a row of events. There are pathaks who provide service before the human pyramids stand to demulsify an earthen pot filled with curd. The vadan or play usually ends in 2 hours approximately. Different corners of Pune are spotted with various pathaks playing for Daihandi mandals.
नुसतं बडबड असतं. ती जी कमेंट होती इट वॉज रिअली व्हेरी गुड. तेव्हापासून ठरवलं हा नुसता बडवला जाणारा ही शास्त्र आहे, त्या शास्त्र शुद्ध पद्धतीने आणि मग तो कसा सेपरेट करता येईल, डिफरगेट कसं करता येईल, फुलावर काय असा हा विचार जरी माझ्या एकट्याच्या मनात आला असला तरी सुद्धा माझ्या बरोबरचे जे सहकारी आहेत त्यांचं सुद्धा सजेशन समोर खात. कारण नुसतंच एक माणूस काही करू शकतो. एक आयडिया आली इज अ डिफरंट, त्याच्याबरोबर जर त्याला सपोर्ट असेल तरच वेगळी पण आता असं झालंय असेल की नवीन ठीक आहे बसवत येणार नाही, अपेक्षा खूप वाटते. दरवेळेस आपण जेव्हा प्रॅक्टिस चालू करतो प्रत्येक जण येऊन विचारतो की यावर्षी नवीन यावर्षी नवीन.
The authorities of several pathaks decide and arrange a short get-together. The get-together happens in a common spot where all participants from different pathaks play dol and tasha. This year, it took place in Ramanbagh School, Narayanpet. Ganesh festival is the main event and is only the reason what mainly Dhol Pataks exist for. On 3rd, 5th, 7th and 10th day, the Ganesh idols are fascinated and are taken for Visarjan. Depending upon the beliefs and tradition, Ganesh Utsav Mandals sign up Dhol Tasha Patak. On the last day of Visarjan, Pune is the most rocking city with thousands of enthusiastic Vadaks been longing to give their best. From morning, this event starts and probably ends in the next day's morning. The chasm seen on Lakshmi Road on the last day is really remarkable. You will find the whole Pune rush on the streets of Lakshmi Road. The Samadhan Chowk, Alka Talkies Chowk see the best of any Dhol Patak. The ground vibrates and so does the feels and hearts of every individual out there. Photographers head out on a large scale and perceive excellent shots for their collection. The troops give their 100% when it comes to Ganesh festival. We see the number of Dhol Pataks growing every year and giving it a rank of one of the best traditions celebrated in India. As a good tip, never term Dhol Pataks as bands or are never signed for marriages. The Pataks of Pune are fetching stages abroad and becoming famous since outlanders ask them to perform for their program. It tells us that the concept has reached overseas. Not only Punekars are in love with the tradition, but also foreigners eye it with affection. Moreover, the ultimate goal is to bring people together out of the busy chaos.